Welcome to Top Rank, your destination for all things cryptocurrency. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the latest news, insights, and analysis on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at Avive Coin, an interesting new mining app. Avive is an all-in-one mining app that allows users to mine and take bitcoins every day. But that's not all. Avive also has a number of innovative tools and features that make it stand out from other mining apps or mining projects. Avive Mining is an app. It allows you to mine cryptocurrencies on your mobile device. It claims to be a low-power and energy-efficient way to mine cryptocurrency, which makes it a popular choice for people who want to mine cryptocurrency without having to invest in expensive hardware or pay high electricity bills. The application provides users with the ability to mine a range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. One of the advantages of Avive Mining is that it is very easy to install and use. Users simply need to download the app and start mining. The app also allows users to track their mining progress, so they can see how much cryptocurrency they have mined and how much they have earned. Overall, the Avive app can be a useful tool for those who want to mine cryptocurrency on their mobile device. So whether you are a veteran cryptocurrency investor or just starting out in the cryptocurrency world, Avive is definitely an app you want to check out. Join us as we take a deep dive into all the features and benefits Avive has to offer, and see for yourself why it is fast becoming one of the most popular mining apps today. This is the interface of the application, as you can see, through which you can collect Avive every hour and Bitcoin every day, as well as invite your friends. The currency is considered promising and has a great future, especially after the great momentum it has received, and we will now talk about the rest of the application or its sections. Here is your profile, which you can edit both the name and the language by pressing the settings button here. From the Teams section, you can invite your friends via your referral link or your code by copying it from here and sending it to whoever you want. After that, there are the tools that help you increase the amount of currency that you get, and they are the gift box that you send to whomever you invited and the magic stone, and I will explain it shortly. And these are the most important instructions for their use. Now let's talk about the magic stone and how to use it. For each stone, as you can see, what is required is to either create a room for you or join someone else's room to carry out the exchange process. For example, here there is a water magic stone, so if you want to join with other people to carry out the process, just click on join, then you will be asked for the code to enter, which you can come with through the application's Telegram group, and I will put its link in the description box. After you copy the code, you put it here, and then press confirm. But if you want to create a room for you, you will press the other button, and then specify the number or the number of people, preferably 5 to increase the exchange rate. Then you copy your code and send it to whoever you want to join or send it in the group that we talked about previously, and after it is completed the number you implement the exchange. This is everything so far regarding the currency. If there are any updates, I will inform you of them in the future, and I will leave you the link to register in the currency in the description, and if you want the method of registration, just tell me in the comments.